The George Municipality in the Western Cape has temporarily closed all beaches along its coastline due to the prevalence of a spring tide. This decision is a response to the unsafe conditions brought about by high waves and rough waters. Victoria Bay and Herald Bay beaches have been particularly affected, with waves encroaching onto the roads and impacting nearby properties. Motorists near Tews River in the wilderness area are also cautioned to drive carefully as salt water has flooded the road, leading to a reduction in traffic lanes. At Mangold's Pool Resort, where caravans and structures were compromised, people were safely evacuated without incident. The high tide has also affected several roads, including the N2 towards Blue Water Bay.
You see now what they're gonna do is, because the traffic haven't seen this,